So guys, welcome back to another video. I am not so well, but nevertheless I am gonna make some drink for you guys. So guys, I'm gonna be picking some mulberry to put in my dish. So we're gonna be picking so this is a surprise, guys. I'm gonna add something else to the mulberry, which I've tried already, and it was so good, so refreshing. So if you can look behind here we have some nice mulberry, guys, and I tell you, they are so ripe and juicy. Look at this. Look how juicy. I'm just crushing it to show you. So guys, this is my mulberry tree. Let me show you how big the tree is. This is how big, and it's 2 trees, it's not one. So that's the next tree over there. So guys, I'm gonna cut this video and I'm gonna continue picking my mulberries, and then I'm gonna go back inside and we continue this video. So guys, today I'm not so well, but nevertheless, as I said outside, I'm doing a drink today. So we're using cantaloupe, orange, pineapple, and the mulberry. We use a small spoon. Now scoop this out. Guys, you all know that this melon low blood pressure. You can use the board and cut them up, which I'm gonna do now. We're going to use the spoon and scoop out just a little bit. And we are going to peel with a smaller knife. And we're going to peel a small lemon. I tell you guys, I went on holiday and coming back, someone was sneezing on the plane, and 2 days after, I'm with this flu. I drink all my teas, it was worse than this. But nevertheless, I'm still creating a content for you all. So excuse the voice. So this drink is a powerful drink, guys. So I'm not going to throw away the skin. I'm going to make some tea with the skin when I'm finished. So we're going to use 3 oranges. So the melon help with the blood pressure, lowering the blood pressure, and the mulberry does that too. As I'm referring back to a tea that I made before with mulberry leaves. So guys, here I have a small pineapple. Let me clean my board first. So guys, everything is nicely washed. And today I am not going to use my pineapple core because I don't need to make use it for a container. So I'm going to peel the skins off. And this pineapple is nicely washed. You know, I'm never gonna throw away these. I'm gonna make pineapple drink by boiling them. As I can refer to another video that I did, I will add that video to the end screen so you all can watch the video for those who did not see that video. I can't wait to get better. So now we're gonna slice our pineapple in half, and as for the core, we're going to slice the pineapple this way, and the core have the bromelain in, and we're not going to waste it. I'm just going to slice it very small. Just a little bit of it I'm going to use. So we're going to go ahead and cut this up. So the core, because it's this way. We have to cut it this way, so across way, so it doesn't jam the juicer, because the core is tough. So guys, we're gonna add this to it. It's gonna change the color. So let's get into the juicing. So let's start putting some pineapple in, and I will put the orange in, and we're gonna turn on our juicing. So guys, I'm putting some pineapple, as you can see. So guys, that's the pineapple. The orange is in the mixing bowl, and shortly I'm going to add some mulberry and the color will change. So let's keep going, guys. So guys, as you all know, I'm using my Covin Revo 830, and this machine is amazing. So now let's pop in some mulberry. And guys, as I pop the mulberry in, mulberry helps to brighten the skin. It is loaded with fiber. It is good for your eyesight, good for your kidney, good for hair growth, and much more, guys. And the pineapple is good for inflammation in the body. So this is nice. And the orange with the vitamin C, and the lemon, guys, that alkalize the body. So this drink everyone should try and make. Is we're gonna let out our first batch of pineapple and mulberry juice. That is it, guys. This is such a nice combination. Now we're gonna go along with the second batch. So let's start rolling. So guys, let's pop our melon in and look at the color of the juice. It's popping in the mixing bowl. I don't regret buying this juicer. It might be pricey, but it's worth it, because guess what? It is super good. So guys, we are almost ready to let out our second batch of juice. And look how the mulberry changes the color with the orange. So I'm giving you a close-up look. and the pineapple. Look how it's incorporating in it. Guys, we are going to let out our second batch of drink. Look at this, guys. Wow. I didn't want it to be too dark, so I only use a small amount of the mulberry with the pineapple, cantaloupe, lemon, orange. This is packed with vitamin C. I've leave these in the bowl. I need them to do a little decorating. So I'm going to run outside and pick a mulberry leaf because I'm going to need that to use. So guys, we are going to pour out our drink. I hope you all can see what I'm doing. I'll just put 2 pieces of pine between here, just like that. And I'll pop the cover on with 2 straws. Let's get 2 straws out. That is it, guys. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, guys, and don't forget to thumbs up. Bye. I'm gonna get some rest and drink some chicken soup to get rid of this flu. So hopefully next week you all will see me and I will be much better, or hear me and I'll be sounding much better. So bye for now.